Cannonball goodies for the PCX150 have arrived. I received some of it last week and more this week. My side cover gasket for the CVT. I already got my new CVT cover last week. That is the bearing circlip. Got a handful of O-rings here, there, and everywhere. There's also going to be some Navi parts in here, if I recall, and a whole bunch of goody goodies. Honda genuine parts. We got air cleaners. We got all kinds of good stuff. Got extra clutch lever, or not clutch lever, brake levers in case I drop one. A factory fresh rear wheel for the PCX150. So brand new from the factory. Oh, and it even comes with a valve stem in it. Oh, that's coming out. So I need to buy a fresh valve stem, and I'm going to drop this off over at Cycle Gear and have them install a brand new City Grip 2, Michelin City Grip 2.